It's no surprise that grilling is healthier than frying. Grilled food helps you consume less fat, as there isn't the battered coating or dripping grease commonly found in fried food. Vegetables are better grilled as well. Rather than boiling, grilling retains more vitamins and minerals. It was George Stephan, a welder from the Weber Brother Metal Works, who invented the iconic hemispherical grill in 1951. His creation became a success, so much so that Kingsford immediately increased its production by 35%. Today, grills are more sophisticated and durable. From charcoal grills to gas or electric, there's even combinations of both charcoal and gas in just one grill to meet the growing needs of any customer. So if you're ready to see the most sold grills of the year, stay tuned. Our top product is the REVOACE Dual Fuel Combination Charcoal Gas Grill. If you're planning a big party with burgers and barbecue, this is the perfect grill for you and your guests. It has a total of 557 square inches of cooking space and an additional 188 square inches of warming space. This grill allows you to cook and warm 32 burgers simultaneously. There's more to this grill because it also includes a gas-powered side burner where you can prepare your favorite dishes and sauces at the same time, making this one of the best grills ever. Aside from having a spacious cooking and grilling area, this product also includes an integrated ignition for all burners with rubber grip control knobs for easier handling. Say goodbye to burnt food since this product has a porcelain-coated heat plate which reduces flare-ups and 2 round temperature gauges to monitor the heat. If you're thinking about accessibility, it has a front access door and a height-adjustable charcoal tray. Hate cleaning? This on-the-go grill has a removable ashtray which makes cleaning easy. More than that, it comes with an integrated tool holder and bottle opener, making your burger party the best one ever. With the REVOACE Dual Fuel Combination Charcoal Gas Grill, your parties will never be the same. At number 2 on our list is from the master of outdoor cooking, the BLACKSTONE 36-inch griddle cooking station. It comes with 4 independently controlled burners with a scorching 60,000 BTUs of maximum output. The griddle is pre-seasoned for a non-rust finish, while the 2 burners are made of long-life stainless steel. It's equipped with a built-in grease channel to catch grease and move it away from the food, as well as easy cleanup. You can use the side shelf and tray for serving meals and storing goods. The BLACKSTONE griddle was built with the vision of bringing families and friends together. It can feed anywhere from 2 to 20 hungry guests with some of the best flavors in a short period of time. The 720 square inch massive cooking surface fits 28 hamburgers or 16 restaurant quality steaks, and you can also do 72 hot dogs at once. Anyone can become a grill master by using the BLACKSTONE griddle. Everything from pancakes to steaks, burgers, and vegetables, this griddle can do it all at the same time. This smooth surface is easy to clean, so there's less time spent preparing and cleaning and having more time to be spent with your friends and family. The handy fold-and-go design makes it easy to transport and set up, and the removable griddle top makes it useful for many occasions. Apart from that, it has 4 industrial-strength caster wheels that provide easy movements. You only need to lock the 2 locking casters to keep it in place. This griddle weighs 132 pounds with packaging. The propane tank fits conveniently under the griddle on a tank hanger, and what's more amazing is you can also use natural gas. Just purchase the compatible BLACKSTONE natural gas conversion kit. Securing our 3rd spot is the Pit Boss 700 FB wood-fired pellet grill with flame broiler. This Pit Boss 700 FB grill offers the best value per square inch in the wood pellet grill industry. The 700 FB has also been perfectly designed to be versatile and practical. It has 700 square inches of cast iron cooking space, including a 2nd-tier rack. It's perfect to cook for a group of 4 to 6 people. It's heavy duty and designed to deliver immediate success. You can select from your preferred cooking styles with the LCD readout thermostatic controls and a standard flame broiler. This 8-in-1 grill can range from cooking temperatures to 180 degrees up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the temperature and the grill takes care of the rest. It has an electric ignition and fan-forced air acceleration that maintains the flame and controls the heat with clean, flavorful smoke. It uses 100% all-natural cooking-grade hardwood pellets for fuel. You won't need additional fire accelerants like gas, propane, or charcoal. This assembled product weight is 70 pounds. It's made of heavy-gauge steel components with complete structural strength and durability. These high-value grills are meant to last and give you the best value for your money. The Pit Boss 700 FB wood-fired pellet grill with flame broiler surely makes it easy to prepare and serve some of the best gourmet dishes you love. Grills in summer go hand in hand, providing deliciously grilled food. Whether it's with a barbecue party or a small camping trip, these products are perfect for those occasions. If you're set to get one of the best grills of the year, we have an offer for you. This list compromises some of the most sold and top-rated grills on the market. If you see something you like, click the link in the description box and catch it at its best value. Let us know too if there's a product you want to see reviewed in one of our future videos. Write your suggestions in the comment box. Also, don't forget to tap the bell icon to be the first to receive notifications. Before we continue with our list, hit the subscribe button for more informative reviews like this and to join our growing community. At number 4 is one of the most sold grills for 2019. It's the CHAR-GRILLER Dual 2-Burner Charcoal and Gas Grill E5030. With this product, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of both gas and charcoal. This versatile dual-functioning grill is every grill lover's dream. It includes features like electronic ignition, dual smokestacks, stainless steel heat gauge, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, and triple-walled steel with insulation to deliver a superior grilling experience. It has an adaptable side firebox. There's also an easy dump ash pan and sturdy side shelf. This 2-in-1 unit is perfect for grilling all year round. The dual 2-burner grill provides 870 square inches of barbecue grilling and smoke space. It also has 262 square inches of a warming rack, plus 24,000 BTUs on the gas side. It comes with a height-adjustable cooking grate that makes grilling more fun than ever. Compared to some other grills, this product is well built and easy to assemble, allowing you to start grilling right away. What's more is its heavy-duty steel construction with powder coating finish. The utensil hooks add to the convenience. It's durable and sturdy, so you can be sure that you'll enjoy your CHAR-GRILLER for years. The CHAR-GRILLER Dual 2-Burner Charcoal and Gas Grill E5030 is your partner in cooking delectably grilled food. Grills are surely making barbecuing something to look forward to. That's why our team gathered the most sold grills on the market to help you find the best one to suit your needs and budget. By this point, you may have already made your decision. If so, we've prepared a link to help you catch it at its best price. While checking out those special offers, tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest happenings. Let us know what you think about our review by writing your thoughts in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch more product reviews like this and to become part of our growing community. Our fifth and last item on the list is the CHAR-BROIL Performance 4-Burner Gas Grill. This grill has a 36,000 BTU with 10,000 BTU lidded side burner. It has 475 square inches of porcelain-coated cast iron grates. It also has 175 square inches of a porcelain-coated swing-away rack for secondary cooking. This 4-burner gas grill from CHAR-BROIL is really made to last. The porcelain coating and cast iron grates make it rust-resistant and easy to clean. It has a stainless steel lid, handle, and mounted temperature gauge to add to its durability and sleek design. The stainless steel burners release flames for top-quality cooking and allow you to make the food cook evenly. This gas grill is packed with unique features to make your grilling experience fun and simple. The 10,000 BTU lidded side burner adds more versatility to your cooking because it lets you warm sauces or cook side dishes. The lid-mounted temperature gauge allows you to monitor the preheat status or keep track of the temperature of the food without opening the lid. One of the best features that this grill comes with is the electronic igniter that will light all the burners with a simple push of a button. Plus, it has an enclosed cabinet to store your grilling essentials. The CHAR-BROIL Performance 4 burner is durably constructed with a stainless steel cover and rust-resistant metal. You can really count on the performance of this grill. Are you tired of worrying about all the smoke from charcoal grilling? Then the CHAR-BROIL Performance 4 burner gas grill is great for you. Having this grill on your barbecue night would really make you a champ. It's a genius grill to spend your outdoor party with and really gives you the best value for your money. And there you go, the most sold grills of the year. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoy sharing these great deals with you. Remember that in choosing a grill, you should consider not only the features, but its construction as well. It will define how long you can enjoy your grill, as well as the safety while using it. Is there a product you want to see us review? If there is, write your suggestions below and we'll get your request featured in our next video. While writing in the comment box, tap the bell icon so we can update you with our latest uploads. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to watch more product reviews and to join our growing community. Thank you all for watching and see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.